Hi Leos, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and this video is for all you Leos who are born between July 22 to August 21. Wow, that's nice. But how will the month September fetch you? So this is not like a yearly prediction. This is a prediction for the month September. So what will be Leo's doing in this month of September? Let me see. Let me meditate a bit. All right. Tarot cards, please connect to all the Leos, all the Leo energies, and tell me the message for month September. Correct. All right. My intuitive cards. Wow, Leo's amazing. Amazing cards, Leo's. The trailer for you guys is partnership. If you want to do any kind of a partnership, love partnership, business partnership, any kind of a partnership, this is the month, my friend. This is the time that a teamwork will really fetch you good. Teamwork will fetch you good money, good reputation, good status, whatever you want in life. This is the month of teamwork. But I know Leos who are Leos, they like leaders, they like being leaders, they have leadership qualities, and sometimes they have issues with teamwork. But I think this is the month that you can learn it. Every aspect, every circumstance, every relation, everything that comes into your life gives you certain kind of a lesson. So let me see. Okay, relations will be fine, absolutely fine. It's a very, very, very good card. This card rarely comes in a reading. It's a very good card. Overall, the people around are really good, just like they might seem a little moody. You might not be able to gauge actually, what is their emotional status. They'll be good for you. All relations will be good for you. Overall, also, you have the lovers card. So all the relations will be very good for you. But just like sometimes you'll just not be able to gauge the mood of the person around. Could be your boss, could be your employee, could be your friend, could be a person sitting besides in the train, and you'd be like, okay, what happened to this person? Or why is this person so happy today? And yesterday I saw this person, he was a little down. And again, day before yesterday, he was like running here and there. Really, what's happening? But it's okay. It's none of your concern. Just try to adapt to people. And maybe that's why this teamwork card has also come up. So, yes, people around are also good. They have good feelings towards you. They have good intentions towards you. Even you have all good intention towards them. Just like this mood swing part, you have to ignore. You have to just ignore, not even let go. I would say ignore. Right. Money. Money is fine. Just be careful about your money endeavors, whom you give money to, where are you signing, what documents are you signing, because there are some signs of backstabbing. Okay. Uh, no need to fear. That is why these predictions and such spiritual techniques become important in our lives, because we know things beforehand. Here we are knowing that this energy might affect us, so we better learn our lessons fast. We better learn. If this actually happens, what would you learn? If someone really cheats you with some documents, what would you learn? You would learn that, oh, I should have taken care of my documents and documentation, and I should have read before I signed. This is the learning that you would have learned if this would have happened. So universe wants you to learn this. So why not learn it beforehand? Why learn it after a slap on face? So learn it beforehand. If you learn it beforehand, this condition will not come in your life. So as simple as that. Okay. Uh, it shows that you might be backstabbed, especially in money related um, endeavors. So beware. All right. Money you'll be having, not an issue. Just think twice, read everything properly. I'm a forensic expert myself. I'm an expert in question documentation and check frauds and handwriting, especially. So I know what it really means, and I know even the smallest case can go for years. So why not we learn our lessons here, right now, right here? Yeah, that was about money. Career. Career is good. Career is good. Just that there will be a point in this month where you will have to fight for yourself, rather stand up for yourself. Um, and I don't know how to say this, but you will have to, um, be in a very different manipulative, positively manipulative stage to prove your point. So, I mean, you have to perform. You are true. You are correct. Nothing is wrong with you. But you have to present it in a little sugar coated honey way. Because if you go straight and tell this to your employer that this really happened with me, he's not going to listen to you. You have to sugarcoat, you have to perform, maybe take someone a little emotionally. Uh, you'll figure it out. Don't you worry about that. Just the crux of the story is you're not going to get that easily. You're not going to get your justice easily. You have to prove yourself for this justice. You have to perform in this situation to attain justice. So there's nothing wrong in performing. There's nothing wrong in understanding the situation and turning the situation in your favor when you are right. I will not give this advice to anyone when the person is wrong. If you don't learn your lessons, another big story is coming your way, another big lesson is coming your way. Here, what I mean to say is you will be right, but someone will just come and try to trouble you and put allegations on you. So, if you want to prove that the allegation is wrong, you just have to perform a little. That's all I mean to say. So, justice will be given. Justice will be given to you, but only when you will present it in a correct way. I hope I was clear. Yeah. Health. Health, I don't know why, but you will toggle in two situations. There is a juggling card. You will kind of toggle in two situations here. Should I do this or should I do that? Should I look at myself emotionally or should I start this physical exercise? Should I go for Zumba class or should I go for yoga class? So you will keep toggling in two situations. Okay, health will be fine. Just to improve your health, I don't think so you will take any step in this month. You will just keep thinking and get confused. What should I actually do about my health? And giving reasons to yourself. No, no, no. Actually, I was mentally not really happy, so my walks didn't happen. And it was raining, so I didn't go for a walk. And then, my kid was crying, and so I said, okay, let me skip it today. So this is what you will be doing in this month. I've told you everything beforehand, and I hope you take care of the situation. But there's no health problem, just like you would give reasons to yourself and others to not perform well on the health part. That's all with the health thing. And this is a genie card. This is one of my favorite cards. So this is like the Aladdin, Jo Hukum Mere Aaka. So whatever you wish. Uh, you should travel anywhere, you can travel. But this card is like the best card that you can get in tarot, wherein whatever you wish actually comes true. So even uh, Leos, even that you might go through some ups and downs in your career, maybe with money, maybe this card will save you. The Jinn card will save you. The Genie card will save you. The power of the Genie card is very high, and if anyone learns tarot here, they can meditate with this card. So this is also one tip that I can give you. So you can take this card, or even if you find this card on Google, just print it out and take laminate it. You can take this on your non-dominant hand, put your dominant hand upon the card, and just say that let this wish come true. You have to properly state the wish, right? You have to just say that let this wish come true, and just meditate with it for 10 minutes and take all the attributes of the Genie card inside. See, this was a tip I gave you for the Leos. I gave the Leos, and actually anyone can do this with the Genie card, but I think this was needed in the month of September with Leos. And your I just pray to God that let all your wishes come true, and have a happy September month. And whoever are born in Leos, please forward this to them. Please subscribe to the channel so that you can get more such videos, and I can really motivate people through my tarot readings, through my concepts, through my tips. And if anyone wants to learn tarot also, you can contact me. Thank you. Thank you so much.